Of course, here's a YouTube script for you. Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are checking out the new Infinix Smart 4 for 2025, a budget phone that is catching a lot of attention this year. If you are looking for a smartphone that is stylish, affordable and packed with solid features, then stay tuned because this one might just surprise you. Starting with the features, the Infinix Smart 4 comes with a large HD Plus display that gives you a smooth and vibrant viewing experience. The screen size is perfect for watching videos, scrolling through social media, or even casual gaming. Colors look rich and details come out pretty sharp, especially for a phone in this price range. Under the hood, the Smart 4 is powered by a reliable chipset that handles daily tasks like browsing, messaging and light gaming without any hiccups. You get a decent amount of RAM and storage so you can run your favorite apps and save your photos and videos without constantly worrying about space. Plus, if you ever need more room, there is an option to expand storage with a microSD card. Speaking of the camera setup, the Infinix Smart 4 comes with a main camera that takes clear and detailed shots during the day. It also does a decent job at night thanks to the AI enhancements. Portrait mode works well for those nice blurred background shots, and the front camera is great for selfies and video calls. Not the kind of camera that will replace a high-end flagship, but definitely impressive for its category. Battery life is another big win with the Smart 4. It packs a large battery that can easily get you through a full day of heavy use and maybe even stretch into the second day with lighter use. Whether you are binge watching videos or just chatting with friends, you do not have to worry about your phone dying before the day ends. It also supports fast charging, so you are not stuck waiting around forever to get back to full power. Software-wise, the phone runs on a clean and smooth version of Android with Infinix's own custom skin. It is easy to navigate, packed with useful features, and there is not too much bloatware, which keeps the experience fast and enjoyable. Now let us talk about the exterior. The Infinix Smart 4 is a real looker for a budget phone. It comes with a sleek and modern design that feels good in the hand. The back panel has a glossy finish that catches the light beautifully, and the overall build quality feels solid and durable. Buttons are well placed and the fingerprint sensor is positioned perfectly so you can unlock the phone quickly and easily. Despite being affordable, the Smart 4 does not look cheap at all. It actually stands out with its simple yet stylish design. The edges are rounded for a comfortable grip, and the phone is lightweight enough to carry around all day without any trouble. You also get a headphone jack and a modern Type-C charging port, which is always a nice touch at this price point. In terms of colors, Infinix usually offers a few bold choices, so you can pick something that matches your personality, whether you prefer a classic dark finish or something more vibrant and flashy. Overall, the Infinix Smart 4 for 2025 is a solid choice if you are looking for a budget-friendly phone that delivers where it matters. It offers a big, beautiful display, reliable performance, good cameras, long battery life, and a premium-looking design without breaking the bank. Of course, it is not going to compete with flagship phones when it comes to raw power or camera performance, but for its price it easily stands out from the crowd. If you want a phone that gets the job done, looks good doing it, and keeps your wallet happy, the Smart 4 should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one. Would you also like a slightly shorter or slightly more energetic version in case you want different styles for your channel?